everyone, it's us again, and I wanted to tell you that we went to Goodwill yesterday and they had some really cool bargains, so I'm going to share them with you. I'm kind of really excited about some of these because they were just some really cool things. Um, One of them being jewelry. They had tons of jewelry in cases, and I was so excited to get these. I don't even think I would wait for half price day, to be honest with you, but you can see, I'm going to come around here so you can see what I'm talking about. Look at this. This was $6.99. It's got a ton of beads in it. You can see the different blues. And then on the back of it, it's got even more. It's got some pretty cool greens on one side, some golds, and then of course the blue, all for $7, which is such a great buy. Wait till you see the next two cases. My daughter's like wanting to definitely can you move this, sweetie? She wants to definitely make some bracelets, necklaces, maybe even some rings, but I'm going to show you how big this one is. It's huge, guys. Absolutely huge. I'm going to cut some of the paper off of it so you can actually see the colors in it. It's got so much stuff in it. And they had quite a few cases, to be honest with you. And I happen to know the color slot now, so they're not going on sale next week, but they're going on sale the week after, so they could all be gone. But look at some of these. These are so cool. This is like almost a Christmas theme. You got the snowflakes. You have, well, also flowers, Santa Clauses. You have different like reds, greens. They even have little angels, but they also have, I'm going to open this up and show you. They also have quite a few, look at this is unbelievable, of these chains. So as you can see, this is one of them. And they've got maybe bracelets. This one's a bracelet to make a bracelet with. And then it has the little hook on it. And you can take the hook off probably and put the chains, or you can use, as you can see, it's got these little hearts. Look how pretty these are. I mean, you can put one of your little round hooks and make a charm bracelet for somebody. But it's got so many cool things in it. It's got little leaves. It's got, let me show you. This is like Valentine's Day. I almost need my daughter to come over here and hold it because it's really, she tends to show it a little bit better than me, which I can't do right now. See those? Yeah, there you go. I knew you could do a better job.
Wait for it to focus.
And then there's this little
Cupid.
Cupid.
Gosh, that's cute.
I know they've got so many cute ones. They've got a love one. Got a cute little Santa Claus. You can see that one. The love one. But anyway, guys, this was such a steal. It has so many cool stuff in it. Little snowmen. And this was $15. But you could probably make 100 bracelets out of this and make a lot of money. So here's the case. You can see it is just filled with stuff. I was like beyond happy because we do make earrings and bracelets, and a lot of times we just give them away for a Christmas gift. So we're excited to maybe do a bunch of these. And then we have Valentine's, so it's going to be a lot of fun. Excited to show you. I got one more case. I know, this is like a lot, isn't it? This one over here. This was $13. Look at this. And it's double. It's got another case underneath of it. So let's see what's in these. Like I said, I was like blown away. I was. this one, but it's got so much plastic on it. At least they packed it so little so nobody could break into it and open it up, which I really appreciate, because sometimes you'll see one of their bags that is like wrapped and somebody has broken into it and taken something out, I guess. All right, so this one, which is so very cool, this one is like maybe the 4th of July or Memorial Day. And it's got some also Christmas ones, the peace sign. I mean, it's going to be hard to see, but here are, I don't know if you can see some of these. But yeah, it's got some cool stuff. So somebody started making a bracelet. Let's see if I can open this up. I like that it comes in little cases. It's probably a little loud. You can see. All right. So, let's see what else is in here. I always hate it when people have noises on their videos. And I'm sort of doing the noise. So, all right. So look, it's got this one, which is so pretty. It was an earring, but it's only one of them, but you could definitely make a necklace out of it. And somebody had started making a necklace. So it's got tons and tons of jewelry, charms, bracelets in there. It's got this one, so we can even make the bracelets. I love that it's got all the accessories. It's got these little blue, look how pretty those stones are. And then it's got this one to make, yeah, this was, I'm telling you, it was a steal. I was like, I didn't buy all of them. I left some for other people to buy because there were quite a few of them. And it won't be on half price for another week, and that's if it makes it. So this one has all your little accessories to make them with. You'll see the little jump rings. Let me see. You can see them. So this came with that same one. It was taped together. But oh my gosh, I still can't believe it. It's got all the accessories to help make these things. It's even got a ring in there, so you could probably make a ring out of it. But how cool is that? That was like such a treat. I could not believe it. Okay, the next one, I got some lamps. And these lamps are so cool. Look at this guy. This is elephant lamp. Is he ever cute? I like his little, he's got his little shade. It's got the roughness to it. So this one was $15. Then I got this cute one for $7. It's got a nice base to it. It's really heavy, so I know that it won't fall over. But yeah, this one was cute too. Next, I have this really cool, let me move these other ones out the way. This bowl. Now this bowl, I did see it online for, I think, $50, but I didn't really care. It's got a tiny, I love it. It's just very, like, I don't know, what would you call this, Angelina? Bohemian?
Maybe a little bit, yeah.
Yeah, because it's got this texture, and then inside it's got this texture, and it was $8. And like I said, online, I think it's for $40 or $50, so that's not a bad deal. And we will put that online so you can actually see it. But isn't that a nice one? Also, I'm not sure if I showed this to you. I think I did show this to them, Angelina. It's a frame that had a piece of handkerchief in it, which I thought was pretty cool. And that was like $5. Unless I did get it for half price, which I'm not sure of. And then I got this for one of my kids. It's a watercolor pencil art, and it's got the instructions inside with the pencils. So I thought for my kids this summer, that would be a cool, whoever's got the talent is going to get it, but it's got the pencils. So it was a new kit that I opened up, and it was $6, but I thought something for summertime for them. Okay, let me see what else I got. All right, I got this bowl, and I was really curious because I know it had some different little shrubs in there. I'm going to open it because they did tape it real good. That's the one thing good about this particular one. They do tape things so they don't actually get broken into. So you get all the pieces that you would need with it. The scissors aren't the best. Yeah, this is a really nice bowl. I like this bowl. I'm not sure. It's like a deep bowl, but it has these really cute little accent pieces. Of course, it's filled with some really cool rocks that you see sometimes, you know, at the Dollar Tree. They were very good. Okay, and then last one I got, which I found this one, it's brand new, and it's a Captain Marvel, and it's a little mini one from Marvel. Of course, it's brand new. It was $5, and it's online for like 15 or 20. So I might save it for Christmas for one of my kids. It's never been open. So it's a brand new one, which is pretty cool. And it is the Captain Marvel. There it is. Okay guys, so thank you for watching. I have a couple more videos coming up. I appreciate all of you. If you would hit the subscribe button, it would really help our channel. The like button and the notification bell so you know the next one that comes out. Also share with your family and friends. If you have any comments, please list them below. Take care and have a wonderful day. Bye.